should just
Going,
put it on video
gone.
and set it on the rail.
I think it'll still mess up the sensor.
Yeah, well, not at this point. It's too. It's not directly
Johnny, what do you give it? Scale of 1 to 10.
What, sunset?
Yeah.
That being best. 10
8?
being best possible or best you've seen?
Best you've seen.
Probably 10. I haven't caught too many sunsets.
Haven't had a reason to. At this juncture, I'm giving it a 10.
Really?
Because right now,
We'll give it an 8.
Right this moment, I can't recall one better.
I can.
Sunrise on the.
I think it only matters when you're with somebody. Because if you're not, it just...
Every day the sun sets, Jonathan, is proof that you've lived another day.
That is called... That's an ultimate truth. What the hell is that called?
Absolute truth.
That's an absolute truth. Once again, Preston.
It's absolutely idiotic, Preston.
Be happy for
Once again,
happy
Preston with his
like,
superior intellect.
should be happy for sunset.
Could it be, perhaps,
Should be happy for
that Preston has not gotten that?
happy for sunsets like you have birthdays. Why do you celebrate your birthday?
Why, Preston? Why?
That's what, I'm just extending that logic.
Preston.
I had to walk you.
Could it be?
I had to walk you through that. I realized.
That
Don't
Preston.
feel bad about it.
That you were upset because Batman wishes to sleep with himself instead of with you? Why don't you just take her? You want a woman? Just take her. Yeah. That whole seems awesome.
Continue. Finish it. Can you finish it?
I can't finish. I don't know. It's like
A woman is like a flower.
yeah, exactly. You cannot force open the petals of the flower. You must wait until they open out. When do you think Garmin will open her petals for you? Tonight. Or I will kill her!